Hello there, this is Joy Eneghalu and you are welcome to today's episode of Emerge. Today we'll be talking about personal branding and why you should bother about it. Now the first thing I want you to know is that you are not entitled to a place here. You have to earn it. To earn it, you have to intentionally build a brand that can attract people to stop and listen to you. Personal branding has increasingly become a must because you have to make people understand what sets you apart from the rest. People have to buy from you because they know you, they like you, they trust you, they know that you are the face of your brand. Through your personal branding, people start to understand your personality, your values, your message, your lifestyle, and that's how you begin to build a community. Everyone, good or bad, is a brand and we all stand for something. Now, a quick test to know what you stand for is to write out what you think about yourself and also write out the qualities of the future you. Then ask your close friends around what they think about you. This will help you for a start. So why do you need this personal branding and what's the fuss about it though? It provides a way for the right kinds of people and opportunities to find you. It gives you the opportunity to put your best foot forward and build your reputation. It will differentiate you from people who do similar work. It also provides you a reason to spend time figuring out what's important to you and what you hope to do professionally. You have gifts to give this world, and building your personal brand provides an efficient means of gift delivery. You earn more as a personal brand. People with a strong and personal brand earn up to 10 to 25% more than those who don't, according to statistics. So, are you thinking of building a personal brand or not? Now, I'm going to leave you with this question, and I hope that in the next episode, when we meet again, you will have the right answer and ready to take on the stage. Are you consistently living your personal brand every day? Till I come your way next time, I remain your humble host, Joy Eneghalu.